Okay, y'all, it's almost here. It's time. It's almost time for the alarm. Actually. Oh my. Look, why can't I see how long is left of the toilet? A minute. Oh, less than a minute. Okay, less than a minute. Less than a minute left. Less than a minute. There's less than a minute left. Less than a minute. Okay, there's less than a minute. It's being so annoying, it's not letting me see how long it's left. 10. 10 seconds. Yeah, that's just start any time soon. Let's start. Should. Yes, it's 3 p.m. Sound. Turn it up. It's gonna start how it should because it literally said 3 p.m. September 7th. It's 3 p.m. September 7th. Oh, yeah, it's going off, it's going off. The test of emergency alert, a UK government service that will warn you if there's a life-threatening emergency nearby. You do not need to take any action in a real emergency. Follow the instructions in the alert to keep yourself and others safe. Find simple and effective advice on how to prepare for emergencies at gov.uk/prepare. And just a bunch more things. Oh. Goodbye. Bye. Yes! Went off.